Kim Jong-un, North Korea's enigmatic leader, commands global attention not just for his political maneuvers, but also for his elusive and extravagant lifestyle. While most of his country remains shrouded in poverty and isolation, Kim lives in a world of opulence and indulgence. Today, we're peeling back the layers of secrecy to expose where the billions go and how one man lives like royalty while ruling over one of the most isolated nations on Earth. From dynasty to dictatorship. Born into the ruling Kim dynasty, Kim Jong-un inherited more than just power. He inherited a nation's resources and a system built around the unquestioned worship of its leaders. His fortune largely stems from North Korea's tightly controlled economy, natural resources like coal and rare earth metals, and a complex network of international smuggling and covert investments. Despite global sanctions, Kim reportedly holds luxury properties in countries like Hong Kong and Singapore, and his inner circle is known to handle vast sums of cash through illicit trade routes. Homes. Kim's real estate portfolio within North Korea includes at least 17 palatial estates. His main residence, Ryang-song Residence, also known as Residence Number 55, is heavily fortified with electric fences, minefields, and an underground bunker system. Each estate is meticulously designed to ensure maximum comfort and security, often complete with private theaters, lavish gardens, and artificial lakes. Satellite imagery has also shown private airstrips next to some of these homes, allowing Kim to move quickly and secretly between locations. A garage of dreams. Kim's fascination with luxury cars is well documented. Though United Nations sanctions prohibit the import of high-end vehicles to North Korea, Kim has acquired an impressive fleet through backdoor channels. His car collection includes over 100 luxury automobiles, with favorites like Mercedes-Benz Maybachs, Rolls-Royces, Range Rovers, and custom Audis. One of the most notable is a bulletproof Mercedes Maybach S600, valued at over $1.7 million, used during high-profile summits and state visits. These vehicles are not just for show, they serve as symbols of status and power in a regime where image is everything. Flying in style. To complement his land-based extravagance, Kim Jong-un also maintains a fleet of private jets. Among the most frequently spotted is the IL-62M, a Cold War-era aircraft retrofitted for modern luxury and long-range travel. Inside, these jets are said to include plush leather seating, minibars, flat-screen televisions, and encrypted communication systems. His collection also includes smaller aircraft, like the Antonov An-148, and he often uses helicopters for short-distance travel across the country. These aircraft enable him to travel discreetly, while maintaining the image of a modern, commanding leader. Life at sea. Kim's luxury isn't confined to land and air. He also enjoys a life of maritime pleasure. His main yacht is reportedly a 100-meter vessel equipped with a helicopter pad, luxurious cabins, and multiple entertainment decks. Worth an estimated $7 million, it is used for both business and leisure, often hosting high-ranking officials or foreign guests. He is also believed to own several smaller yachts for more private retreats. The finer things. Kim's personal tastes are indulgent and global. He is known to import Kobe beef, Iranian caviar, Swiss cheese, French Bordeaux wines, and German cosmetics. His passion for Swiss cheese is so intense that he once sent officials abroad to learn how to make it. His wine consumption is legendary. Some reports allege he consumed 10 bottles of wine in a single evening. His love for Western pop culture, especially American basketball and action movies, also highlights the paradox of a leader who publicly shuns the West but privately revels in its luxuries. Kim Jong-un's lifestyle is one of contrast and contradiction. While the average North Korean citizen struggles with poverty, famine, and isolation, Kim lives in almost surreal luxury. Behind the facade of nationalist ideology and military posturing lies a man who enjoys the finest the world has to offer, regardless of the cost to his people. If this glimpse into the hidden world of one of the most powerful dictators surprised you, there's more where that came from. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload.